Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today I'm actually in the big boys woods. Came in today, it's nice out, stopped raining. I figured we'd come out and get some, hiking in and some exercise and stuff. I am testing some gear out before I review it. I had this pack here for quite a while, quite a few months, and it's a really nice pack. But the reason why I haven't reviewed it yet is because I want the manufacturer to get back to me to let me know what all the details are on the specs of the bag and how everything works before I review it. So but I'm just taking it out today to see how it carries. So far it carries really well, except for there's a little squeak noise behind my left ear of something. I'm not sure if it's a frame or a clip, so I'll have a look at that. But yeah, gonna have some lunch now. It's basically more of a vlog than any kind of review, but just day out, something to watch really. I have the hammock up already, and we're just gonna relax in the woods. A little lost, but not concerned, just a little lost. So we're taking a break from hiking now and get some lunch. Right, so the tea, if I don't get a tick on me today, I'll be surprised. The tea was from my partner, who was relaxing in the hammock. I'm gonna have a steak and vegetable dumplings. So it sounds good, and it's in date, which is not normal for me. Normally I'm eating MREs that are like a few years out, but this one's actually in date. So I'm gonna use what's left of the fire here to heat this up. Looks questionable. Not gonna show her that though. So by the time I got everything out of the pack, the other Joe went out. So I'm just gonna whack another one on. Smells good. Right, so that should be done. So get rid of that water. Looks good now. So I'm going to do a bit of a taste test now. Right, so there's your one.
Thank you.
And again, this is steak, vegetable, and dumplings. I don't think I had this one before. It smells really nice.
Oh, it does. Ooh. It's most attractive to look at.
It's not too bad. Right, how's it taste? Good?
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, the meat's good texture. I think I might have had this once before. Peas are nice.
Nice taste.
Dumplings are a little hard. That's how a dumpling looks. Ah, not bad.
Yeah. I'd eat that.
Yeah, it's not bad. So far the steak and vegetable dumplings, it's pretty good. So if you get that one.
Lovely.
Dessert we have apple turnover and a fudge brownie. So I'm thinking, as we don't know where we are right now, to save that and eat it nearer to the car. That's my guess, because I have a feeling if we eat it all now, we're going to be a little bit hungry later if we get back by dark. But yeah, so at the moment, that's me testing out my rucksack. Cup of tea made some nice food, and I'm going to go a bit more hiking now. Also, as always, make sure you take all your crap with you. Don't leave anything behind, don't leave a trace and all that. Alright, so we're back on track now. And we're going to have the apple turnover. Taste that one. I've had it before. I don't think you have. Look at that.
Good.
But we got another, I think, 3 miles to go back to the car. So we eat this now and then have a brownie on the way over more. But yeah, good day out so far. So a couple of beer. Yeah. So catch up in a minute. Alright, this is the last bit of food now. It's the chocolate brownie. So I think she's gonna share. Didn't look like
Got a
it.
little bit again.
Oh,
Crumbly.
that's alright, I'll eat this bit. Bit hard on the outside, but a little soft on the inside. Good. That's alright.
Not that good.
I like it. So that's my video. Just wanted to say thanks guys for watching. Something a bit more exciting. Testing out my sound because I had a sound problem last time, but I'll work on that. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.